Hello everyone. Welcome to day 3 of our 30 days English listening challenge. Today you will listen to a story about a boy and his best friend. The story is divided into 3 sections. At the starting of each section, there will be a question that you need to answer after listening the section story. This will prove that your listening is working. So, listen carefully and select your answers. Let's begin. Before we start section 1, here is your first question. How old was Alex when he met Ben? Listen carefully and find the answer. Hello everyone. My name is Alex. Today, I want to tell you about my best friend. His name is Ben. Ben and I have been friends for many years. I first met Ben when I was 10 years old. We were in the same class at school. I still remember my first day at that school. I was nervous because everything was new. The classroom was full of students. Some students were talking to their friends. Some students were laughing. I did not know anyone. I sat quietly at my desk. A few minutes later, a boy came into the classroom. That boy was Ben. He sat next to me. He smiled and said, "Hello." I smiled and said hello too. Soon we started talking. We talked about our favorite games. We talked about our favorite cartoons. We discovered that we liked many of the same things. At lunchtime, Ben asked me to sit with him. We ate together and talked more. After school, we walked home together. That was the beginning of our friendship. From that day, we became very good friends. Did you find the answer? The correct answer is option B, 10 years old. Did you find the answer correctly? If not, listen the section again and find the answer. Let's continue to the next section. Before we start section 2, here is your next question. What is Ben's favorite sport? Listen carefully and find the answer. As the years passed, Ben and I spent a lot of time together. We studied together after school. We helped each other with homework. Sometimes we visited each other's homes. My parents liked Ben very much. His parents were also very friendly. On weekends, we often went to the park. We rode our bicycles around the neighborhood. Sometimes we played video games. Sometimes we simply talked and laughed. Ben enjoys many activities. He likes reading books. He likes watching movies. But his favorite hobby is sports. His favorite sport is football. Every Saturday morning, he goes to the park to play football. Many boys from our neighborhood play there. Ben is one of the best players. He runs very fast. He can kick the ball very well. When I play with him, he always encourages me. He never gets angry when someone makes a mistake. He always says, "Just try again." That is why many people like him. He is not only a good player, he is also a kind friend. Did you find the answer? The correct answer is option B, football. Did you find the answer correctly? If not, listen the section again and find the answer. Now let's move to the final section. Before we start section 3, here is your final question. Where did Alex and Ben go during their school vacation? Listen carefully and find the answer. Last summer, Ben and I had a wonderful day together. It was during our school vacation. One morning, Ben called me. He asked, "Would you like to go somewhere fun today?" I said yes immediately. Ben told me that we were going to the zoo. I was very excited. I had not visited the zoo for a long time. After breakfast, my parents took me there. Ben was waiting near the entrance. We bought our tickets and went inside. The zoo was very big. There were many animals to see. First, we visited the elephant area. The elephants were huge. They were eating leaves and walking slowly. Next, we visited the giraffes. Their long necks amazed us. Then we saw lions resting under the sun. Ben wanted to spend a long time watching the monkeys. The monkeys were climbing and jumping everywhere. They made us laugh many times. At lunchtime, we ate sandwiches and drank juice. After lunch, we watched a bird show. The birds flew high above our heads. It was exciting and beautiful. Before going home, we took some photos together. Even today, those photos remind us of that wonderful day. It was one of the best days of our friendship. I am very thankful to have a friend like Ben. Good friends make life happier and more enjoyable. Did you find the answer? The correct answer is option B, the zoo. Congratulations! You have selected all the correct answers. You have completed day 3 of our challenge. How many answers did you get correct? Write your score in the comments. If you missed the day 1 and day 2's video, you will find them in the playlist in our channel. Listen to them and improve your English. If this video is helpful for you, give a like. And if you want to continue the listening practice, subscribe the channel to get notification every time we come with another video. Thank you for listening. See you tomorrow for day 4. Goodbye, everyone.